crappy beads that were having really porous holes in them. You know, it'd start to flow right, and then it would blow apart and put holes in, lots of pits in it and stuff. So I got on AI and it said that, are you getting any gas? So squeezed the trigger, couldn't feel any gas. Took the nozzle tip off of it, still no gas. Came over here, pulled it off here, gas. Pulled it off here, gas. Open this up right here. Tried to pull that off, but I couldn't get it off, so I removed the gun. Disconnected up here, pulled this off, stuck my finger in there. No gas. So then I had to figure out how to get this top off of here. So took all these screws off down along the side. Eventually figured out that these two bolts right here have to come out so that this can slide off. Right behind here is a solenoid, and that cuts on when you squeeze the trigger to let the gas go through. So pulled the line off of the output of the solenoid and gas was flowing. So, I mean, when I pulled the trigger, it was flowing. So back over here, I take the tube, I blow through the tube, take the gun off again, and as I blow through the tube, I can feel air coming through. So then I put the gun back on, but this time there were little bitty ports in here that I made sure were lined up just right. Put them on there, squeeze the trigger on the gun, voila, gas. So why'd I tell you all that? Because I ran a nice long bead here, and although I've got, this was across some of what was already there, but then, oh, it started cleaning up. There's another bad spot. But it turned out really, really good. So I'm sure when I grind all this off, run back through this, I'll re-weld it, grind it, and it'll probably be fine. And there'll be a few spots in here where this pitting is, but I can just do some shallow fills in there, and then hang it back off with the grinder and the buffing wheel right here, and we will have a nice pretty piece ready to go for the powder coat.